Children, welcome back to social studies. Is what all we studied at previous class. We studied about religion in reformation, religious causes and political causes, right? Yes. In reform, how many types we have? Four types. Which all those? Religious, political, economic and spirit of inquiry. Right, now we'll go through economic causes. Okay, what is economic causes according to the Luther? We'll go through now. There has the emergency strong middle classes consisting that educated professional such as lawyer, doctor, merchant and artist who were taken down upon by the upper classes. These classes were fast rising, owning that opening up of trading and urban center. These middle classes protest against the demolition of the church because it was controlled by the upper classes, often used by them their own benefits, like example individuals that middle classes resented or the practices of the nobility, and the clergy began exempted for paying taxes. Yes, actually we'll go through now what all economic causes, how the people were suffering. We'll see now. See, there were a emergency of a strong middle classes consisting of education professionally such as lawyer, doctor, merchant and artisans. See, in emergency, the strong middle classes, how the people were consisting to educate their professional, especially overall that professional is educated. Yes, we can see a lawyer, a doctor, merchant and artisans. Why they are looking down for? We'll see. The looking down upper the classes, because when they are in middle classes, so on that time they started of learning and they become educated, and they got their own settled life, or they got own their professional life. Yes, all those lawyer, doctor, merchant, artisans. Actually, what happened? They are looking down upon their upper classes. We are now educated, we are now professional, we have few jobs now, so we all now upper classes. They thought like that. Yes, this class was the fast rising that owning upon the trader and urban center. Yes, actually who all read and who all got their professionally jobs. Actually, what they'll mention it as? Yes, they actually mention it as they are upper classes, as well as fast rising and owning that opening up the trade, especially in urban center. They'll consider as upper classes. Clear? And who all will consider now middle classes? We'll see now. Middle classes are protested against the dominating of the church. Again, what they'll do, who are all in good professional, they'll consider him, they will, the church people, what they'll do, they'll consider them as upper classes. Who all they are in middle, still they are in educated or blah blah each and everything, they are again protested by domination by church. They will dominated by the middle class peoples. Why they will dominate the middle class peoples? Who will dominate the middle class peoples? The church. In church, who are all? We'll see now, because it was controlled by upper classes. Yes, first upper classes were is also in middle classes. They, after they'll getting few education, few professional jobs, what they will do? Again, they'll start to degrade about middle class peoples. They'll what they'll thought, middle class people should be on our hand. They thought like that. Thought only not, they usually controlled that middle people. The middle class peoples was controlled by the upper class peoples. Okay, often use them there where the own benefit. Of example, indigenous, the middle classes represent the practice of nobility, and clergy has been example for paying tax, exempted paying tax. See what all I said, this clergy and anti-clergy, they were punishing the peoples. that middle upper class peoples, what the middle classes peoples they were doing, they are punishing the peoples, they make them the middle class peoples as a slaveries. Who will do that? Upper class peoples, because they have good professional, good job, right? So that they'll make that middle people as their slaveries. Okay, we got to know about economic causes. Political causes is nothing but, yes, who are all ruling or how it was ruling. We got through know in economic causes. We have two causes, which are those upper classes and middle classes and upper classes. Okay. Now we'll see fourth one of spirits of inquiry. We'll go through. Now, learning about the spirits of inquiry, the Renaissance had brought with its spirits that inquiry that leading people pursuing a new learning of discoveries. Yes, actually, what happened? Overall, that Renaissance overall brought that spirit of inquiry, especially they having few new learning and discoveries. Okay, a few will be now. I have to, if I take as example, I have to find this pencil. How can I find? Yes, we actually invented. We should. We should implement that first, then only the pencil can be what by giving that advertisement blah blah, then only the pencil we can be notified, right? Yes, same thing what all the peoples did in Renaissance, they brought like few pursuing that learning and discoveries. It was not just the common man has asserted himself that beginning blind faith and religious of dogma. What is dogma meaning? Yes, dogmas is nothing but fixed and especially a religious, a brief and a set of a briefs that people are expected to is expected to accept with any doubts. Yes, it is nothing but what all that a religious were a fixed. The religious might be, or else religions might be, or a set of the peoples what all the doubts especially in religious fixed how can I tell? Yes, if I take as example religious, as well as few certain amount, as well as they has to invent a new Bible or a new praise of light, like that they want to be discovered against with the blind faith of religious of dogma. Clear, it is nothing but learning of spirits on inquiries. A reasoning made a people a critical of the existing interference of the church in the lives of the people. They felt that they could not reach the God with the need of intermediaries. They praise is actually what happened. See, however, one against that meeting happens, that reasoning made that people for a critical position. Because of why they are facing critical position? Yes, because of interfacing on the church of leaves on people. They are forcing the people to come for the church or to convert for the church, to pursuing in the church. So they felt that could not reach the God without needing that intermediaries like prices. Again, they felt that no, it could not happen. We could not reach the God without that. We are need some intermediates. For what purpose? For liking their price. The rise of a new science is also offering that significant changes in humans to give their knowledge. Yes, they again implemented another new to know about their culture. What they did, they got to know new science, and they also offered a new science. What, for what purpose? Yes, to changing humans to give their knowledge. What all they gonna learn, that you should give to the peoples, then only they gonna believe in our God, then only we can reach our God. Like that they started to offering a new significant, like in the form of new science. Okay, see how the people are to know about their God, how all they gonna implemented, how all they gonna convince the people to reach them, right? Yes. Now we'll see name the religious and a reformer who leading the renaissance of Mormons. Yes, a France, a England, and a Switzerland. Yes, about this we'll go through a lecture and a Martin Luther. We already studied few introduction about Martin Luther, right? Yes, we gonna about Reformation Martin Luther at next class. Okay. Now what all I got through know about economic causes and about a new learning and spirits of inquiry. Make sure of student reformation we have in four types: religious causes, political causes, economic causes, and spirit of inquiry. Those four types were important. You might be get questions, so please refer once and glance once such a topic. Okay, anyway students, bye, meet you at the next class with a new topic. Okay, bye.